Hello, and welcome back to Zoo Building. I was going to do, I collected up a whole bunch more wood, and I was going to, let you guys see all that, but then as I was finishing up the video, I was like, okay, 14 minutes here, and then it's like, I'm about to do 15 minutes of basically the same thing as we did last time. Why not just undo that, not upload it to YouTube, have that progress on my computer, and then go pick a spot for our house and start building it like that. That's just what I thought. So I decided to do that instead. And here we are. So basically, just fill you in quickly while I lean against this tree. The puppies are up there. I put them up there. Probably should close this. But last video I told you, if you would like to name, if you have a name for the puppy, tell me in the comments below. Write down one of your own dog's names, and try to write down, if you have more than just one dog, write down all of your dog's names, if you want. And then I'll do, my own little thing where I close my eyes, make it super even, and then, I'll suddenly open my eyes. I'll, swirl this around like I'm doing right now, and then I'll stop on one comment. And it'll be like, okay, this comment said olive oil. And I'm like, nope, cross that out. Even if I landed on one that said a dog name that I really love, I would have to X it out, because it's just the way the comments go. I have to do that. It's the fair way. And then the last comment left there, I'm giving it 14 episodes or 7 episodes, how many it ends, but it won't be less than 4 episodes for you to answer, and I'll want you to comment on this video, please, not a different video, because I won't check those videos and do that, because that would be a little chaotic. And write down your name, your comment for the name, and then if nobody comments, Tim, please write down some names of your own idea names, and then your dog's names and stuff like that. And then you can even write down your other animals' names, like your cat's names or your horse's names and stuff like that. But if you really want those to be saved for different animals, save them, because we're going to have every animal possible in Minecraft that doesn't need mods. So yeah, basically do that. And Tim, if nobody comments, please write down some of your own suggestions, and I'll just use one of yours. But if somebody else does comment, I'll have to do it. And remember, we're gonna have more puppies. That accident is not a one-time thing. Trust me, you're living with somebody who likes to spam things when she gets angry. And then suddenly, we have 5 million puppies. And sometimes it'll be a bad surprise. Actually, never. It won't really ever. Hey, chicken, it's okay. I have chickens too. There we go. No chick. I'm sorry. And there's an Niagara Falls. I'm not actually on that name yet, because we might just make a Niagara Falls. Because I bet I could either create a better waterfall, a bigger waterfall, or I could even just, I could probably even just find a waterfall bigger. Whee! Okay. So today we're going to be picking a spot for our house, and it won't be in the forest, because I want my house won't fit in the forest, and I don't want to have to destroy the forest to make my house, because we have plenty enough plains. It's not like we have a shortage of plains here. Okay, to be true, we don't have too many plains, but wait a minute. Oh my god, I remember when I said that at my sister's house. My nephews are coming over today, and it's gonna be so fun. I'm just recording before this. Wolfies! I should have brought the puppies! Aww, so cute! So cute, wolfies! Wolfies! Are any of you guys injured? Anybody want some pork? Nobody wants some pork. Well, nice that we adventured over here. We found some puppies. Not puppies. I shouldn't be calling them dogs or puppies. Because we should respect that they are wolves. They're wild animals. And trust me, they do not attack nearly as much as they say in the movies. If you see a wolf, like, if you see a timber wolf, you might want to back away, but like, or a bigger wolf that might actually attack, you might want to back away. But like, a wolf, I think that it would run off before you had the chance. So don't go down hunting them and stuff. Sorry, I still have that cool jump. Yes, made it. Whee, this is fun. Ow. Unless you fall. Oh yeah, remember I found this, so I'll have to do something with it. So now we are going to go over here and we're going to build, right now we're just going to build a smaller house. Eventually we might make a huge, ginormous house, like a huge house. But right now, we're just going to make a nice, decent sized one that we can live in. And that's it. And it's going to be near that watch out, because I want to build it near our lookout. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want to get back up. Oh yeah, by the way, this is how much wood we collected, and I thought, I had a hunch that might just be enough, like, little hunch. Sheepy! Actually, Sheepy, you want to be my house, Sheepy? You can be my house, Sheepy. I want a house, Sheepy. You are my sheepy, my only sheepy. When I am happy, you'll make me sad. No. You are my sheepy, my only sheepy. Please don't make my sheepy away. My sheepy, sheepy, my only sheepy. Please don't make my sheepy away. Okay, so we're just gonna do that, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm pretty sure that's, I feel like I'm taller than the other area. Apple! 4, 5, 6. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. More importantly, I think they're out of line. Oh no, they're fine. Heh, that rhymed. And all of that rhymed, like, I think that they're out of line. That rhymed. All that rhymed. It's funny. Okay, so now we're gonna make it all the way this way. All board. Oh, and this is just something I do. I clear out everywhere until I get to my little sheepy. You are my sheepy, my only sheepy. You're my stupid sheepy. By the way, that probably sounded like don't make my stupid sheepy go away, and that was totally not what I meant. I'm sorry, sheepy. 1, 2, 3. Oh no. It's hard to count things when you're falling down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7? 7? Why did I put 7? Hey! I put 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I know I sound like a toddler, but I am a toddler. Okay, now to put the wood of our houses. Oh yeah, and hey, this is zoo building. We have to have a sheepy in our housey. Like, we have to. It's written in the rules book. I'm kidding. I didn't make one of those because that would be bad Sheepy. No, you're not a bad Sheepy. No, Sheepy, don't leave. No, bad. Bah. 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 I promise you, Sheepy. Wait, what would I actually be promising a Sheepy? You my Sheepy, don't make my Sheepy go away. You are my Sheepy, my only Sheepy. I have no other Sheepy. I really promise I don't have other Sheepy. Please don't make my Sheepy go away. Uno secondo. I feel like that. This will make a lot more sense once I have the whole thing. Let me just make sure Sheepy is held in, because I feel like he's gonna run, because he thinks we're being bad, but Sheepy! You're endangered of wolves if you leave. I think we're also gonna have a house chicken, because, like, one just wandered in. All are welcome, like, it's not just house sheepies, it's also house chickens. Oh, and house horses. By the way, just wild horses, please hear this. Horses are welcome. I'd love it if I could have a house horse. That would be my sheepy dream. Wait, what on earth? Hern. Oh no, Hern dead. Dun dun dun, bum bum bum. I wonder what my sister's gonna get here. Bum 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 bum. I have a runny nose. Dun 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 bum 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 bum. I know I am such a hard worker. I'm almost done. Sorry. And guys, we're just getting almost to the end. It's already 12 minutes, 35 seconds, and that means that soon we're gonna have to head out. But once you guys, I hope you guys don't mind, but when you guys are gone, once this is uploaded, I'm gonna finish building the walls and stuff, and then I'll let you back on to do the finishes. And please do not forget to write a puppy name. No, Chicken, don't leave. Chicken, no, I don't want to hit you with your axe. Honestly, usually that's what I do when I have an animal that doesn't want to stay. I'm a very cruel person. I'm kidding. I never do that. Like, I remember having to get a villager somewhere because he was about to die from a zombie, and that was like the one time I ever did that. I know, poor villager had to live with me for 5 million years. Nerded! Oh no, we only have one more minute. So, once I glance over at the time and it's 4:50 seconds, I'll just sort of be like, bye, see you next time. And then I'll let it go off on its own while we're working. So now we're just gonna chill, not get distracted. Black Sheepy can stay with me! Black Sheepy. Oh no, I love my Sheepy. It's okay, we'll have Sheepies. I knew I should have built my Sheepy pen. Dun dun dun. Bum 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 bum. Okay. I know, Sheepy. You're looking at me like, I'm glad I left. I'm glad. I don't think you would have been very responsible. I feel like this video is just gonna end like me, bye, have a good time, continually falling off. I don't mind. I'm not a happy penguin. I'm not a happy penguin. I'll have to come back here with a shovel and be like, rah, 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 and dig up everything.